welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this slime. And it's actually really cool slime. This stuff that's on it, it's from when I bought slime, but the slime in here, I made the slime because I bought the slime and it was pink and it's in this container, and I've kept this container ever since. And so then I've just, whenever slime has been making, I just put it in here, and whenever it goes bad, I just throw it away and I make some more slime. So here I am, and I'm showing you guys how it looks, how it feels, how it's supposed to be. So now I'm about to take this slime out of the container, and I'm going to show you guys how it's supposed to feel and how it's supposed to be. Well, not how it's supposed to feel, but how it's like how gooey and slimy it actually is. It's actually really, really playful, and it does kind of get stuck to you. And then if it gets stuck to you, you have your hand, and then you just get it and just go like that, and it will eventually come on the slime stuff. So yeah, very stretchy, very playful, and you can do a lot of stuff with this slime. It's really, really fun to play with, and I enjoy it. And it does make fun sounds. So that's really cool about it. And this is actually a really good prank people. Like, you be sitting behind them and just put it close to them. Like if you're really having, just put it in there and just go like that. And then probably everybody would laugh at them. But I probably wouldn't. So the ingredients that you will be needing is some lotion to moisturize your hands at the same time as you make the slime. You need some toothpaste. You'll need some hand soap about it. So like it's full of ingredients, and I'll be right back. And also, you will be needing a container and something to mix it with. I'm using like a pencil and this container. Just take this out. And you'll also need some food coloring, but this is already going to be yellow. So I mean, it's not going to be yellow, but I'm going to add some food coloring once I make the slime and start kneading it and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so you're going to start by adding your hand soap. 4 pumps is exactly the measure that you would actually want it. If you want a little bit, but I think that's like the best, is add 4 pumps. 4 pumps in, and then some toothpaste. I don't have a lot of toothpaste in here, so I'm trying to get as much as I can as possible out of the container. It's very hard to get out. I'm gonna go get the other toothpaste. So I actually got our family toothpaste. This is the toothpaste that we use like as a family. And this is my toothpaste like if we go places, if we go camping or to a sleepover, something like that. So I think that's already ran out, so I'm gonna get some more. But for now, I guess I'll just be using this one. Make sure it has baking soda and peroxide in it. And I prefer Crest. I prefer Crest or Colgate's the best. So now I'm just going to put some in there. And make sure you get like the same amount as you put as toothpaste. I mean, as hand soap, I use the Dial hand soap. I think it works the best. Any Dial hand soap. So now I think I added a little too much toothpaste. So now I guess I'm gonna add like a half a pump of hand soap. And then now I'm just going to mix it very, very well together. And then that's when you come in with using the lotion to moisturize your hands. And you would have to start mixing it a lot. It took me over 30 minutes to make this slime. This is the slime that I told you that I made. So just add a lot of that to actually moisturize your hand. But you gotta keep adding and adding it. And now I'm just gonna mix it until I get the consistency that I want, and then I'll add the food coloring. But I won't show you guys me adding the food coloring because it's gonna be too long. And plus I only have like 12 minutes of this and it'll take forever. So give me a second. So it actually took me about 20 minutes to make this slime. To stir it, it was like 10, and then like 5 minutes to mix it, to add the food coloring and like get it all together. And then I started to see that it started to turn into a liquid. So then I started to stir it, and 5 minutes later it turned into this amazing gooey slime. It was non-sticky. Well, when I added the food coloring, it was sticky. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it was a little sticky. And I was like, okay, so let me just stir it more. Maybe I had to add more soap, but I was like, no, I don't want to ruin it. And then I would have to like do it all over again, and I don't want to do that. So I ended up just mixing. And mixing a lot. And it didn't take that long, and it was very fast to make the slime. Again, this is the slime that I just made. And yeah, it's actually cold for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, this is a slime. It's pretty fun to play with. Y'all should definitely try it. If y'all have siblings, they might like this and they can play with it. But be careful, because they probably will put this in their mouth, but just keep an eye on them. And I give this to my baby sister. I mean, I don't give it to her, but I let her play with it. And again, it farts. The other one did too. So yeah, this is the slime that I just made, and the other one is right here. This is the slime that I just made right now, and this is a slime that I made earlier. So they're both like comparisons, and I'm just gonna mix it together because they're like the same, and it makes it more bigger, I guess you can say it. This could say, stop, okay. So yeah, this is very fun to make and play with, and I really, really enjoy it. So yeah. And you can prank this with people like, oh look, it's not making slime. They did it all wrong. I mean, what am I saying? You can prank people by making the fart sound of this. And yeah, but make sure you have it in the container, because I don't think... Well, it farts a little bit, but not a lot, like where you can hear it. But yeah. And... so yeah, it won't fart. I don't know. Yeah, it won't fart. Again, it's neon yellow. It's that color that you see right there. No, it's not. I'm kidding. It's like a lighter color. See? It's like that color that you see it, but a little bit lighter. And this is not the color. This is not the color of the slime. And yeah. So yeah. And this is how you prank people. Let me just show you a clip of me behind my back. No, it wasn't me, I swear. I didn't fart. It wasn't me. Oh yeah, sure it wasn't. It wasn't. It wasn't me. Then why were you the first one to say that it wasn't me? Because I heard it. That's why. It wasn't me though. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Why is it coming from you then? I don't know, but it's just not me. And that, guys, is how y'all prank each other. Each other person. That's how you prank it. But I probably wouldn't do that to people because that's just very rude and mean. And I wouldn't, because, like, I don't know, I just wouldn't do that. Because it's just very cruel and mean and selfish, and it's not a really good thing to do to people, especially if they're your best friend or if they're a family member of you. So just don't do that. And yeah. And the best thing I like about this slime, because when you put it and you leave it in the container, it like comes out flat, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Just kidding, that was a very not cool thing. Okay, but I have to end this because it's about to, what's it called? End it by itself. So yeah, enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Bye.